Hello, beautiful girl. Yeah? Where's Mister? Oh, he's up in the tree. Hello. Thank you for coming visiting us. Yeah, it's Boxing Day. Hello. I'll get you some seed. Hang on a minute. Hello, you two. Yeah, how was your Christmas? Did you guys have a good Christmas? You seem to have missed the seed. Hey? Yeah, you came back for all the seed, didn't ya? Hey, beautifuls? Where's your babies today? Because this is Mama and Dada. It's been coming here for the last year. And the ones that were on the other day were their babies. So it's good to have Mama and Dada back. Hey, Mister. Hello, big boy. Oh, is that so? Yeah. Alright, you two, I'll leave you to it. Hey? And you guys take care of yourselves out there. Hey, beautifuls? Yeah, and you bring your babies back to visit. Okay? Yeah. I see you listening. Yeah, I see you listening. Alright then, you two.